If your skiving machine is smoking or ripping your leather, stop. Today, I'll show you how to change the blade. Many people think the blade is dull and start sharpening it until sparks fly. But after sharpening it and testing it on the new piece of leather 3 times, the edge is still burnt and jagged. The reason is that the blade has become too narrow. You must replace it with a new one. Step 1. Make sure the power is completely off. Then remove the pressure foot. Then remove the screws and take off the cover plate. My suspicion was right. The knife definitely needs to be replaced. To change it, we need to remove the whole feed roller bracket. First, loosen this retaining screw. Next, completely loosen the feed roller tensioner. Press down on it while turning it. Once the tension is completely gone, wiggle it back and forth, and the whole thing will come off. Now you can see something in it. There's a silencer that we need to remove first. A quick warning here, even a dull knife can cut your fingers. For safety, use a sharpening stone to destroy the edge before anything else. When you try to unscrew the silencer, you will find that the knife rotates with it. Look at the right side of the machine. Remove the cover, and you will find another screw hole. Many beginners wonder why we need to apply first on the right side to remove the knife on the left. It's because we must lock the main shaft. Then the left side can be loosened. Just one quick push, and it worked. I recommend cleaning the machine while changing the knife. To see the bottom clearly, remove the drive belt. The machine is very heavy. Watch your hands when lifting it up. Leather scraps, grease, and dust are everywhere. Never use liquid cleaners because it can push dust into the bearings. Now the silencer comes off easily. The belt blade is held by 4 screws. Clean the area first, then remove them. Watch your hands. Even though the edge is destroyed, it's still dangerous. Gently wiggle it like this, and the blade will come off easily. Clean it and get ready to install the new one. This step is not difficult. Put it back into its original position. Screw the 4 screws back in. Make sure to whip off the excess oil. Otherwise, it will attract dust and the leather waste immediately. Reinstall the silencer, and the new blade is in place. Before assembling everything back, there is a major safety issue. You must clean all the grinding dust off the bracket. It's very stubborn, but you must clear it out completely. Put the bracket back on. Tighten the screws. Reset the tensioner to its original pressure. Do you think we are done? Not yet. A newly installed blade cannot be used directly. Next, let me share a sharpening trick. Color the blade edge with a marker. This makes it very easy to check the sharpening progress. As you sharpen, you will see the marker ink disappearing. When the color is completely gone, it proves that the entire surface has been ground evenly. But to make the blade truly sharp, you also need to remove the burr on the inside edge. This is a detail most people miss. Now let's test it. The leather is no longer burning or turning black. However, the marks are still there. This means the blades are not sharpened yet. Let's test it again. No marks, no smoke, and smooth like cutting through butter. This is the result we want. So what's the difference? The secret is besides sharpening, I also fixed the feed roller to make its surface perfectly parallel to the new blade. Very few people know how important this step is. To explain this clearly, I made a separate video about it before. If you want ultimate skiving result, you must watch this episode, and see you next time.